Have you ever visited the dentist? Do you like going to the dentist? Today's conversation topic for English learners is dental appointment. What would you talk about in English at the dentist? Here are a few suggestions. You have a major toothache and you're making a call to your dentist to make an emergency appointment. What would you say? What would the dental office receptionist say to you? You receive a call from your dental office that you're overdue for a tooth cleaning. What would you say? What would the dental receptionist say to you? You just got an x-ray for your teeth and your dentist talks to you about needing a tooth implant. What would you tell your dentist? What would your dentist tell you? Going to the dentist regularly is an important preventative step you can make in order to protect your health. Do you visit your dentist regularly?